the parent side of ClassDojo and sending messages to your parents. So once you invite your parents to ClassDojo, so you go to options, invite families. We have already added Donald Duck to the class. All I had to do was put their email into the section, and then the email would be sent out to Donald Duck. Okay. I'll show you what it looks like for parents because sometimes parents don't know how to do this. So here we go. This is the email for Donald Duck. So notice it says, you are invited to join your child's class on ClassDojo. We sent the email directly to them. They can click on the email and we will make a brand new account just so that you see what it looks like on their end if you have to troubleshoot. So we're going to say join Donald's class. We're going to hit join Donald's class. I have to input my specific email, which is Donald Duck Dad. Here we go. I'll say call myself Donnie Duck. Give myself a password. Let's see. Here we go. We'll hit sign up. I am now part of the class. All right, let's go with class. There we go. ClassDojo connects you to Donald's classroom. We'll hit next. You'll get to see Donald's best moments from class. You can instantly message Donald's teacher about what's happening at the school. And now with ClassDojo Plus, you can give points, set goals, and customize Donald's monster at home. Hit done. Here we go. This is what the parent version of ClassDojo will look like. Okay, so what did we do so far? We invited Donald Duck's father. Let's refresh our page so that we can see what it looks like now. Go to Donald Duck. And now notice, let's go to Daffy Duck. Notice it says no family connected. That means Daffy Duck's parents did not connect to your classroom. But if we go to Donald Duck, it says one parent connected. So we can send a direct message to the parent by just clicking on Donald, hit message family, and there we go. Okay. Good morning. Thank you for joining my class. Looking forward to a fantastic year. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Mr. Negru. There we go. So now I just sent a message to Donald Duck's parent, and this is where we can keep and create a portfolio of all of our conversations that we have for class. So if I need to attach any documents, if I want to add any photos, emojis as well to keep the conversation light and funny, you can do that here as well. This is where you have more information. So again, I click right here in the top right, these three dots. You can mute the conversation. So if it's getting to the point where it's just too many notifications and you'd rather not receive those notifications, you can mute the conversation. Okay. You can also disable the read status. So if they sent you a message and then you have read it, but you don't want them to know, you can disable the read status. Okay. And last but not least, you can also block the parent or report the parent if you have to, if things are getting out of hand. Okay. So here we go. We're sending a message to Donald's parents. Now, what does it look like on Donald's side, Donnie's side? So here we go. Let's go back to our email. Let's refresh the page. So now it says, Mr. Gru has shared on ClassDojo. In an earlier video, I posted some information to the classroom, some posts on the class story. The parent will receive an email and will say you can view the class story now. We are signed in. Here's the class. So let's see. This was the first one I did. Just a reminder that tomorrow students have a show and tell. Again, just a reminder that it posts the latest information all the way to the top. So we did this in an earlier video. Every time you post, the parents will receive a notification with anything that needs or goes on inside the classroom. Now notice right here in the top section, they also have a messages. This is where I just sent a message to the parent. They can click on messages and notice it is highlighted in blue. That means they have not read it yet. And now we have this conversation here. Good morning. And I'm going to respond back as a parent. Thank you. If you need any help with Donald. Now, parents also have this marked as urgent. This is a premium feature. But we'll hit send. And there we go. Again, this is a private conversation, so nobody else except inside the classroom will see this information. So let's look back and see. Donald's father just responded back to you. Let's see what it looks like on your side. So here we go. Let's go back to the class. We'll go to classroom. Let's do that one more time so we don't see it. We'll just say hello. You're back into your classroom. You have your information right here. And notice in the top section you have messages. You can click on messages. And now you have a message from Donald's parent that they would like to speak with you. There you go. Notice it also says read. That means the conversation was read by the parent. So you'll know that when they have read that conversation. Okay? That is how you send a message to parents and what the parent side of the video also looks like. Okay? Their read status is a premium feature, so they would have to pay for that if they would like to see that.